Endocrinology is a branch of zoology which deals with the study of hormone and hormone secreting cell, also known as endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are hormone secreting ductless gland. Hormones are known as chemical messengers. They produce desired effect on the target cell. Broadly, hormones are divided into two types. One is lipophilic hormone, another one is hydrophilic hormone, also known as water soluble hormone, and lipophilic hormone known as lipid soluble hormone because they are soluble in lipid. Example of lipid soluble hormones are steroid hormone, thyroid hormone, etc. and hydrophilic hormones are peptide, protein, amine hormones. Now coming to the mechanism of hormone action, the response to a hormone depends on both the hormone and the target cell. The mechanism of action of both the hormone are different. First, we will discuss the mechanism of action of lipophilic hormone. Because of their lipophilic nature, because they are soluble in lipid, they easily dissolve in the lipid bilayer of plasma membrane of target cell. Here, hormones are produced from hormone secreting cell. Through the blood vessel, they reach the target cell. Because of their lipid soluble nature, they easily diffuse through the lipid bilayer of plasma membrane, and inside the cell they bind to the intracellular receptor, which is either present in the cytoplasm or present in the nucleus. When the hormone bind to the receptor, it produces hormone receptor complex, and that hormone receptor complex enter into the nucleus, and because of their lipophilic nature, they easily dissolve in the lipid bilayer of plasma membrane of target cell and enter into the target cell. Here the hormone bind to the intracellular receptor, which is either present in the cytoplasm or in the nucleus. When the receptor and hormone bound, they produce a complex known as hormone receptor complex. Now this complex enter into the nucleus and bound to the target gene and alter the expression of the target gene and produce desired effect. This is the mechanism of action of lipid soluble hormone enter. Now coming to the mechanism of action of hydrophilic hormone, that is water soluble hormone. Water soluble hormones are not lipid soluble. They cannot diffuse through the lipid bilayer of plasma membrane of the target cell because of their lipid insoluble nature. Here the hormone producing cell produce water soluble hormone. Through the blood vessel they reach the target cell, and on the target cell they bound to the cell surface receptor, which is present on the plasma membrane. Once they bind to the cell surface receptor, they produce second messenger. In this case, hormone itself acts as first messenger. When they bind to the receptor on the cell surface, they produce second messenger. Here ATP produce second messenger in presence of enzyme adenyl cyclase. It is a common example. When the second messenger produce, it activates specific gene and produce desired effect. This is the mechanism of hydrophilic hormone. And this in summary, lipophilic hormone bind to the intracellular receptor, whereas hydrophilic hormone bind to the receptor present on the plasma membrane, that is cell surface receptor on the target cell.